Boy, look at this old lady here. They probably ain't even home now. Man, look at that sump pump, brother. They're pumping out water out of that basement like you wouldn't believe. That is a mess.
What's they're doing there?
I hope they didn't have no tractors or no cars in them buildings. God, that's a mess. I don't know, I'd sooner have a storm come through and wipe me out than a flood. And then flood, you lose everything and you ain't got no insurance. Look at that LP tank. Yeah, that's an LP tank. Oh, they'll get fish it out of there when the dry water goes down.
This was a creek, wasn't it?
If we get any more rain, it's going to be any more. Where did actually all this water come from? Come from up north? Up from the cities, or? They didn't actually have all this rain here, did they? No, they couldn't. Look at that. Man, poor people. This guy just fixed all this house after the first flood.
Is he the owner of the cattle?
I don't know if he owns them cattle or somebody uptown does, I think.